for a bit.
Yes.
And now we are headed to the beach.
To the beach. Did you hear that?
To the beach. So we'll see you. Hey guys, so we are here because Naya wants a kimono. And there's Liz in the Ghanaian beach for the first time. Feel free to be you. And cruising into the Ghanaian beach like, ooh. No, because it's dark from there. Let's go walk on the water. Baywatch, bitch. Hey. I can see you. Yeah, she is. Catch her if you can. Liz with her DIY kimono. Wear it. Wear it. No. Be careful. Your hair's like all over your face.
Take a picture of yours.
So we got cake. So we got cake. So we got cake, yeah. So we got cake. We got cake, yeah. These people, why is it an obstacle course? Ah. So we got cake. No. Copy, copy, copy. Oh, these are heavenly.
Come, let me take a picture. See. These are beyond.
Everybody just gotta get your phones out and take a picture or a video. Cause that's the kind of society that we live in now. Fucked up. Fucked up. Take the first bite. Take the first bite. You take the first bite. It's your right. It is your right. Uh-huh. Let's do the eye.
Tell me I wasn't recording. Damn it.
Don't worry, I got it.
Did they please bite again?
That's orgasm. Shall we?
Hurry up and bite. Oh. Again.
Yeah. So we are leaving the beach. I had a lovely, Now someone tell my space band to stop acting up. Bye, we're leaving the beach. Bye. Up to ice cream. She can go from 0 to 100 like that. She can go from 0 to 100. Please go home. Please go home now. She started with ma.
What do you want? What can I do?
Hey guys, so we're back home. Actually, we've been back for like a really long while, but my phone was off and we were busy cleaning up with what we have to do. We really weren't thinking about vlogging. So yeah, I feel like we had a really great day. Personally, I did. I was sugar high getting towards the end. I'm sorry. And we really had a great day. Liz is gonna be sleeping over in my room with me for the 5 days that she'll be in Ghana, and hopefully she wouldn't want to leave by the time that I'm coming. So